Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to update Google Play Store on Android. So first of all, launch Google Play Store on your Android devices. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. From here, scroll down below and tap on Settings. Now, from here, go ahead and tap on About. Scroll down below and you'll see the option of Update Play Store. Tap on it. Now, if you have already updated your Google Play Store, you'll see a pop-up like this. Just tap on Understood. However, if you have not updated your Google Play Store to its latest version, if you follow these simple steps, you will be able to update Google Play Store on your Android devices. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.